Today is day number 3 of our cereal box design project. Let's check it out. Alright, so we have the image of our competition, which is step 1. Number 2, total surface area of the competition. So we know that the area of something is going to be, for instance, A times B equals area. So I need to find the area of the front, the back, the side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. Now, what does this look like? Here, if I were to open up a box, I'm going to have the top, the back, the bottom, the front, one side, and the second side. Now, each side is going to be the depth. So let's do this. Front, back, no, not front, back. Okay, front, top, side. Now, the front is going to be the height times the width. The top is going to be the depth times the width. The side is going to be the depth times the height. If I calculate all three of these, or if I multiply these together, I'm going to get some numbers that I can add together to find the total surface area. Now, we're lucky because this rectangle, the back and the front are the same. The top and the bottom are the same. The side A and side B are the same. So you can actually just, for these, you could do the same number that you calculate for the front. Try this now. Alright, so let me guide you in the process of doing these quickly. And I'm only going to do the side because I want you to be able to do the top and the front. Now, the depth is 1.75. Now, I'm not trying to make more work for myself. I'm going to use a calculator. 1.75 inches times the height is going to be 12.125 inches, and we get 21.22 inches squared. I'm using 2 decimal places and I'm rounding up because we don't actually care for 5 decimal places of information. Okay? Now that you've done this, you should be able to calculate the total surface area.